Alright, good morning YouTube. We got the sewer inspected today, I believe, so get back in here. I'm going to throw the rest of that base rock and everything around all this where it ties on to the riser and stuff, and go ahead and get this yard backfilled. We got rain coming in supposedly tonight or tomorrow, I think, and most of the weekend there's 60 or 70% chance of rain, so I'm going to get all this backfilled and cleaned up. And I think while I'm here I'm going to go ahead and just kind of start my rough grade on this. Looks like they're getting ready to get the driveway in and going. I came over here and dug the footing on this house several months ago, and it just hasn't, for some reason they've kind of been a little bit behind on this one, so I haven't been back since then. But I got to get all this kind of cut down and pushed around, and you can see it's got a pretty good sized backyard. I don't know if we'll actually go in there and dirt all that, or if we'll just kind of knock it down and try to blend in what's there. But I got some more cutting down and grading to do here, so I figure if I've already got to be here, backfill that sewer, might as well make the best of it and kind of get it roughed in and get it a little closer to being done. I've actually got another one of these I'm going to try to go do this afternoon. Same thing where we dug the water in the sewer in. I got to get it backfilled now that they inspected it yesterday. So this one's not too bad. Got plenty of room to get the machine around here. Just need to pick up some of this trash and start getting her graded out. Uh-oh, what do we have here? You think we should knock and see if he's home?
What thing you want? What do you want? Huh?
Jason, are you there?
Of course I'm here. Where else would I be? I'm always on job site waiting for you. You know I'm always waiting around for you. I don't understand. What are you knocking on my office for? What do you want?
Are you gonna come out today, or are you just gonna stand there and do your paperwork all day?
Well, you know I have lots of paperwork to be doing for you. You know, I don't understand. You want me to do everything around here? You want me to do the paperwork? Now you want me to do the work? I don't get it. What do we have going on?
Well, come on. You know we got raking work to do, so let's get to it.
You know how much I hate raking? Why don't I do the paperwork in here in my office while you do the raking? It sounds good to me. How about you?
You can't come out and say hi to everyone? They miss you.
Oh yes, they miss me, I'm sure. They miss me moving my office and hitting it with the trains and crap. Yeah, really missed, yeah.
Well, you do know I'm gonna have to move your office again, because you've got it parked right in the way.
It's really? Move it again? I always put it in the place where you tell me to put it, and then you tell me that I have to be moving it. I don't understand. Make up your mind. What is wrong? Why you do this to me?
Alright, well, since you can't come out, just tell all the good YouTube people bye.
Yes, goodbye, good YouTube people. I'll be seeing you in next one when we hit my office with something else like train again. Bye now.
Okay, now this isn't great, but I kind of got all the dirt and junk that was piled up here. So whenever I dug the footing out before, and just kind of knocked it down. But now I've kind of got it upgraded, at least where they can come back in here and get their porch formed up and everything. And I'm still gonna have to do a lot more cutting and grading, I bet, to get the water to run around here and everything. But like I said, I've got another one of these to go try to get done today. So 2 or 3 hours here, kind of getting this stuff scraped up and cleaned up. And got all the junk down this side. Like I said, some of that's going to be even cut down even more, so I got enough room to get dirt, but also not build it up on the siding. And then I kind of got some of the fill and junk, which is a lot of raw. I need to put a little more in there, but kind of got this at least knocked in and cleaned up. It's going to take a little more, but I may try to find some of the good stuff and bring back there and fill in the low spots. But we're closed for now. This house has still got, I think they're just in there putting the sheetrock and everything up like that, so we still got plenty of time to get it in. So I'm gonna load up and eat my lunch and head over to the next one. Little update on this job. This is the one I finished on Friday, I believe. I got the fence moved yesterday and today. Now I got to come back, and they want dirt from what's left here to the fence on the property line and get rid of these tracks and everything. And they've already got the sprinklers set up and been running them, so it's a little damp in part of it. Some of it right through here, I may need to cut some of that and put in that hole, but I got my truck full of dirt. I thought about backing around that tree, dumping the dirt, but it feels a little soft just when I'm walking on it up there. So figure a 25,000 pound truck probably gonna leave some ruts. So I guess I may just dump it in our little crap lot right now across the street and take one bucket at a time over here. Let's get started. All done. Got 4 or 5 bucket loads of dirt dumped on here, kind of back drug. Need to just touch it up with the hand rake a little bit. Toss out some more seed and get some straw raked back over it. Here's the next little job. It wasn't too far down the road from where I was already at, but I'm going to take this area that they've started laying dirt and everything in and actually scrape it off, push it to the back. And you got 3 loads of fill dirt on the way. We're going to build it up and level it out, and he's going to have a raised garden area in here. I think he's actually going to build some boxes and stuff like that to have inside here, and then put decorative rock around in between them. But yeah, I think it's the project that he kind of started over the weekend or one weekend, and find out he was going to have a lot more dirt and stuff than what he was anticipating. So I think it's going to be 20 by 30, so it's going to be a pretty decent size. But dump trucks are on the way, so I'm going to jump off here and get this dirt scraped off, pile it to the back, and start getting our fill dirt in here. Yeah, here's kind of the roughed in after. I had 5 loads of fill and then a little bit of dirt that he had here piled up. I'm gonna go get my hand rake and kind of touch this corner up a little bit, but I think the guy likes it. He's the one that picked this spot to put his raised garden in. They're gonna put a wrought iron railing fence around here, then some boxes. I think they saw a picture or something on Pinterest, but yeah, it was almost 4 feet lower in this corner. And I was kind of trying to explain to him how that was gonna look, because he wanted to kind of use up there that flag as a benchmark, and I actually kind of fudged and came forward a few feet and dropped it down. But as I kept walking this stuff in, it kept sinking. This end down here is actually still, that's 6 inches lower than where my benchmark was on there. But we really need to come in here and, you know, add a couple more loads of dirt and taper it out and everything. But he seemed to think it was gonna be kind of what he wanted, or was fine. So I guess for now we'll leave it, and he can come in here and put his fence up and look at it some more, and then decide if he wants to add more dirt to it later on. I mean, it doesn't look bad up here from the house. It just kind of drops off the face of the earth on that side, but I guess we'll kind of let him look at it or talk to his fence guy and